Hey everybody, Mr. Chaffin here, just wanting to wish you a happy extended spring break or whatever you're calling it around your house. Hope everyone is safe and kind of bundled up for what could be a few weeks of just kind of hanging out around your house, watching this coronavirus thing go away, hopefully, sooner rather than later. Anyways, I'm sure a lot of you have some questions about what's going to be happening over the next few weeks. I probably won't answer nearly half of them today, but I will kind of get the conversation going. So first of all, happy St. Patrick's Day. Notice I'm wearing my green. Hopefully you're wearing some green too. Kind of make those leprechauns happy. Okay. Beyond that, I hope you are getting my notifications via Google Classroom, my Skyward messages, all those things. That is going to be the main way that you're going to be hearing from me and your other teachers over the next few weeks. That said, it is super duper important that you have Google Classroom access at your house, because that is how we're going to deliver all of our lessons pretty much over the next few weeks. We don't know how it may look with packets and binders and all those things, but just know that even if you don't have a sheet of paper in front of you or a packet or whatever, we still have the rest of our curriculum to do. So I think some of us may be in the mindset of, well, I'm not in the classroom, so I don't have any work to do. And that is not the mindset to have, because we still actually have the rest of our school year to do things. So first things first, if we could just kind of agree that if there is an assignment put out on Google Classroom, that it should be done in a timely manner to the best of your ability. I know we're going to try to record videos to go along with the lessons themselves. That way you can actually kind of hear a voice. You can have something read that's more familiar to you. You're not just totally doing this all by yourself. Okay, so we're going to try to help you out as much as we can there. If one positive has come out of this situation, our governor has at least taken the steps to cancel STAR testing for this school year, which means that we don't have that hanging over our heads, but it does mean that we still have the rest of our curriculum and kind of normal testing and stuff like that to finish out this school year. So we don't just kind of get to sit around and do nothing. We do have to finish the curriculum and kind of finish this year strong. Okay, so hopefully we're all on board with that together. I know I am. This looks totally different for me. Notice I'm in my house teaching you. This is really weird for me, but we're going to make it work the best that we can. So if you have any questions, just make sure you email me. You can message me. You can find my email through the district's website, all these other options. The point is, there are ways to reach out to me if you have questions, concerns, any of those things. And beyond that, can't wait to hear from you guys. Peace.